Okay, heads up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply your outsole to a pair of Air Jordan 11 Concords. I'll also be showing you how to apply your glue using the plastic knives from the Reglue Kit, how I prepped the outsole before we applied it to the midsole, and why exactly I'm using a hammer to apply the outsole to the midsole. And if you stick around to the end, I got some bonus footage for you, and I'll show you how to apply your toe cap to the midsole on a pair of Air Jordan 13s. My name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching my sneaker class. And if you would like to learn how to do reglues yourself, just go check the description. We got full video PDF tutorials and ebooks available. Thanks again. So let's get into it. Okay, so to prep the outsole for the Air Jordan 11s, I just used a Dremel with a basic drum head. If I had to guess, I think this drum head is about a 60 to 80 grit drum head, and it's safe to use on the outsole. As you can see, it didn't cause any damage. If I had to give any advice, I would just say be very, very careful on the edges of the outsole, because the edges are pretty thin, and if you stay on them too long, you can tear into the edges. So once I had all the glue removed from the outsole and I had prepped it with acetone beforehand, now I just went and got my long plastic spatula knife to apply the glue to the outsole. It works on the curves of the outsole outstandingly. For the midsole, I went to the triangular spatula so I can get, especially along the seams and the edges of the midsole. It works very, very well. And I went around the seam a second time to ensure that I get a nice flush seal. What I like most about these knives is that when you spread the glue, like wherever you put it at, it's going to be even all the way around. And it gives me a nice seal every time. Okay, so now we're going to apply the outsole to the midsole. No heat required. I'm going to go through the top. I'm not really going to press down until I see it like really lined up. So for this now, I think I'm gonna go get my hammer so I can kick some parts into place stiffly, like how I want it. So hold on one second while I get that, but it is on. You can see, just like that. But let's get the hammer and really get it set into place. Okay, so whatever little spot I see I want to kick it over, I just use my hammer to knock it into place, because you're not going to be able to do it with your hand, like maneuver it. So it's kind of dragging, you know, and kicking it, because you got that glue up there and it's not really gonna it's definitely not gonna move with your hand. So you're just kicking it into place, squeezing out any air bubbles, and you should be good to go. Okay, and there you have it. Now you got your outsole on. Now we're gonna do some touch-ups, clean up. The front part right here, this is supposed to be white, so we got to take different measures with the glue up here. And now for some bonus content. In this unedited video, you'll see how to apply the toe cap to the midsole on a pair of Air Jordan 13s. We've applied the glue with the Reglue Kit, and we've allowed our glue to dry for 30 to 45 minutes. And now we're going to connect the uppers to the midsole. We're going to be using a couple methods here so we can get a nice, solid, firm bond. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching. Please go check out one of my latest videos so you can see how to apply your glue when you're doing minor reglues. Here's a clip of that video. Okay, heads up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply glue to sneakers when you're doing a minor reglue. For this task, we'll be using the Reglue Kit, and you'll see all the parts that are involved in the kit. For example, there, like the glue eraser. You'll see the plastic knives that we use to get into small, hard to reach areas. It would be a lot more difficult if you used a brush. We got needles, glue applicator bottles, and a whole lot more. So please stay tuned to the end for more bonus footage. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and Nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.